one's not for the kids. I'm proud of it. Does that look real? Watch this. It's called misdirection. It's where the big action covers the small action. Misdirection. You gotta pay attention or you'll miss it. Quick trick, right? Quick trick. You see what they're doing, right? I don't even have a lighter. See, the hand's bigger than the eye. Pay attention. No lighter blues. We'll do different tricks. I hear it's hard to quit. That's true. Another one. I did this for an hour once to see who would watch. Ta-da! Hey, what's that? I don't actually smell. Those are made out of plastic. I made them myself. Alright, now, I really wanted to show you. It's a very ancient miracle. There are hieroglyphics. Does everyone know what hieroglyphics are? Those are the ones on the top of the pyramid. The hieroglyphics are on the bottom. They're hieroglyphics of a magician doing the same effect for noblemen 3,000 years ago. But today I come to the street and I do it for everyone. You're welcome. You guys like animals? Look, nothing here? Nothing here? That's disgusting. Nothing here? Look, a bird. No animal magic, sorry. I dated a vegan to explain why you shouldn't have pigeons shoved up your sleeve. Okay. Alright, now some people are going to be so impressed by the end of this show, they're going to say, Jessi, that's my name, they're going to say, Jessi, why do you perform on the street? I come out here for the people who couldn't afford to see me if I were famous. You're welcome. But I'm not paid to do this, so whatever you want to do at the end, that's up to you. Now first, I recreate the trick, I show you how it used to look. The magicians would blow on the balls, they would vanish, some one at a time if you just watch. Did you see it vanish? No, see now you're watching like immigration, I'm nervous. When I blow, a bomb disappears, see? Alright, the last one, watch close. I don't actually swallow them, I'm straight. Not a very popular choice tonight. Anyways. Back under the cups. The crowd goes wild. Sir, what's your name? Ed, that's what I said. Ed? Oh, sorry about the dolphin. Ed, we're gonna play a game, okay? Don't feel bad if you lose. It's a scam game. I have to pick on someone and you're standing right in the middle. You ready, Ed? It's the 1 ball and 3 cups. It's not the 2 girls and never mind. It's the 1 ball and the 3 cup trick. It's a game, it's a scam game. You'll lose your money if you play this game. Ed, pay attention. I go slow and then I go fast. That was just to make sure Ed doesn't have ADHD. Ed, A, B, or C? B. You said B, did you mean A? B. Where? Okay, I was trying to help you. I didn't scam. You'll never win. No matter which one you choose, they have another one. See, they pretend to put it under the cup. That's called cheating. You put $100 on that cup, they say, no, it's over here. Now, Ed, if I put the ball away, how many balls here? Oh, you're close. Good try, Ed. And how many here? Ed, if you're not sure, you can guess. How many? Good man, good man. All right, Ed, this time my wrist won't leave my hand. I'll give you $10. Ed, for $10, how many under the center? No, orange. I thought you had me. All right. 30 seconds left. So I'm not used to performing with so much noise behind me. It's insanely loud. Alright. Watch the magic hat. Empty. But I know it's magic because when I finish the trick, it always has money in it. Please, I'm trying to get back to Canada before the immigration officers catch me. Ed, how many under the hat? 1. Are you sure? 1, yes. She's not sure. Alright, pay attention. Watch the ball vanish. He's a wizard, Harry. Yeah, it worked. It's gone. Thank you. That was easy. Hard part, bring it back. Look, now it's back. Wow. I'll do it for real. Ed, a little bit slower. Good luck. How many names? What? 0? Oh, he doesn't get the game still. See, look, orange. Yeah, you'll never win, guys. It's a scam. Look, orange. Of course, they're not this good. Look at this, orange. Yeah, these are real. Look, orange. Yeah, nothing to hide here. Wait, one more. Pineapple. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my little show. That was so awkward, but you guys are the best. Thanks for watching. Have a magical evening, guys. My name is Jessi. I do come from Canada. Trying to get back there.
Wait, what if he was doing that?